The best HDMI to USB-C cable delivers reliable video and audio connectivity, supports high-quality displays, and simplifies connections between modern devices. My today's video is about top 5 best HDMI to USB-C cable review that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at USB-C to HDMI 2.1 cable. This USB-C to HDMI 2.1 cable is a strong choice for connecting compatible USB-C phones, laptops, or Thunderbolt 3.4 devices to TVs, monitors, and projectors. It supports impressive resolutions up to 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 240 Hz, while 48 gigabits per second bandwidth helps deliver smooth, stable video with minimal flickering. Features such as dynamic HDR, HDCP 2.3, eARC, and Dolby Atmos enhance both picture quality and immersive audio for movies, gaming, and sports. The cable is backward compatible with HDMI 2.0 and 1.4, adding flexibility for older displays. Its aluminum alloy housing, gold-plated connectors, braided nylon exterior, copper core, and smart chip provide durability and reliable signal transmission. However, it is a unidirectional cable, so it only transmits from USB-C to HDMI. Compatibility should also be checked carefully, particularly with Apple devices, as some setups may not support 8K output. Now our second product is Acer USB-C to HDMI 2.1 cable. This USB-C to HDMI 2.1 cable is an excellent option for high-quality entertainment, gaming, presentations, and productivity. Supporting up to 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 240 Hz/120 Hz with 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, it delivers smooth, detailed visuals while helping reduce lag and screen tearing. Dynamic HDR 10+ and Dolby Vision further enhance contrast, colors, and cinematic depth. Its mirror and extended display modes make it practical for sharing content, presentations, multitasking, and collaborative work. The aluminum casing helps with heat dissipation, while the dense 48-ply nylon braid adds durability and resists tangling during travel. Plug-and-play functionality requires no additional software and works with compatible USB-C devices featuring DP Alt mode. However, this is a one-way cable, transmitting only from USB-C to HDMI, not HDMI to USB-C. For 8K at 60 Hz, both the source device and display must support the required resolution and refresh rate. Our third product is USB-C to HDMI cable. This USB-C to HDMI cable is a practical solution for connecting compatible laptops, tablets, and phones to HDMI-equipped TVs, monitors, and projectors. It supports crisp 4K at 30 Hz output and offers convenient mirror or extended display modes, making it useful for presentations, movies, classrooms, office work, and dual monitor setups. Its plug-and-play design requires no drivers or bulky adapters, while broad compatibility across Mac, Windows, Android, Chrome OS, and Thunderbolt devices adds versatility. The aluminum alloy housing, gold-plated connectors, and braided nylon exterior provide impressive durability, withstanding over 10,000 bends. Advanced shielding helps minimize EMI and Wi-Fi interference for stable, flicker-free audio and video transmission. Its slim, lightweight design is also ideal for travel, and multiple length options accommodate different setups. However, the USB-C port must support DisplayPort alternate mode, and portable monitors are not supported. Now number 4, Ugreen USB-C to HDMI 2.1 cable. The Ugreen 8K USB-C to HDMI cable is an excellent choice for connecting compatible laptops, smartphones, tablets, and other USB-C devices directly to HDMI displays without drivers or unstable wireless casting. Supporting up to 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 240 Hz, it delivers sharp visuals and smooth performance for gaming, movies, sports, and video editing. Its 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, dynamic HDR, HDCP 2.3, ARC, and Dolby 7.1 audio support provide an immersive multimedia experience, while backward compatibility with HDMI 2.0 and 1.4 adds flexibility. A high-performance chip reduces EMI interference, and the braided nylon cable, aluminum housing, thicker copper core, and strain relief offer durability and reliable signal transmission. The cable is unidirectional, working only from USB-C to HDMI, and requires DP alt mode, or Thunderbolt 3/4. For 8K at 60 Hz, the source must support DP 1.4, and the connected display must support 8K at 60 Hz. And our last choice is Worky USB-C to HDMI cable. This USB-C to HDMI cable delivers a reliable plug-and-play solution for connecting compatible phones, tablets, laptops, and desktops to TVs, monitors, and projectors. Supporting 4K at 60 Hz, 1440p/2K at 144 Hz, and 1080p at 240 Hz, it provides smooth, vibrant visuals for streaming, presentations, gaming, and everyday productivity without drivers or unstable Wi-Fi. Its gold-plated connectors, thicker copper wiring, and aluminum housing help maintain strong conductivity, reduce signal loss, and dissipate heat effectively. The durable nylon braided jacket resists fraying, kinking, and everyday wear, while the non-slip grip and included Velcro tie add convenience for frequent use and travel. Broad compatibility with DP alt mode and Thunderbolt 3 of 4 makes it versatile across many modern devices. However, this is a one-way cable, transmitting only from USB-C host devices to HDMI displays. Overall, it combines dependable performance, durable construction, and portability in a practical display solution. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.